Immure, IMMURE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to enclose or confine someone or something within walls, to imprison or isolate. Example sentence: the prisoners were immured in dark, damp cells for months without any contact with the outside world. Synonyms: imprison, confine, incarcerate. Antonym: release, liberate. Immutable, IMMUTABLE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, unchanging over time, unable to be altered, modified, or influenced. Example sentence: the laws of physics are based on immutable principles that govern the behavior of the universe. Synonyms: unchangeable, invariable, fixed. Antonym: changeable, variable. Impair, IMPAIR. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to weaken, damage, or diminish the quality, value, or effectiveness of something or someone. Example sentence: lack of sleep can impair cognitive function and decision-making abilities. Synonyms: weaken, diminish, damage. Antonym: enhance, strengthen. Impale, IMPALE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to pierce or stab with a sharp object, typically through the body, to impale someone or something. Example sentence: the warrior's sword impaled the enemy, causing a fatal wound. Synonyms: pierce, stab, skewer. Antonym: remove, withdraw. Impalpable, IMPALPABLE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, not able to be felt by touch, difficult to understand or define, intangible or elusive. Example sentence: the atmosphere in the room was filled with an impalpable tension, making everyone uneasy. Synonyms: intangible, elusive, invisible. Antonym: tangible, perceptible. Impart, IMPART. Part of speech, verb. Meaning, to give, convey, or communicate information, knowledge, or a particular quality to someone. Example sentence: the teacher sought to impart wisdom and inspire her students through engaging lessons. Synonyms: convey, communicate, transmit. Antonym: withhold, conceal. Copyright, Cogent Insights. Impartial, IMPARTIAL. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, treating all parties or people equally and fairly, unbiased, without favoritism or prejudice. Example sentence: the judge remained impartial and objective throughout the trial, ensuring a fair verdict. Synonyms: unbiased, fair, neutral. Antonym: biased, partial. Impassable, IMPASSABLE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, not able to be passed through, crossed, or traveled on, blocked or obstructed. Example sentence: the heavy snowfall made the mountain road impassable, forcing the travelers to turn back. Synonyms: unpassable, blocked, obstructed. Antonym: passable, open. Impasse, IMPASSE. Part of speech, noun. Meaning, a situation where no progress or agreement can be reached, a deadlock or stalemate. Example sentence: the negotiations between the two parties reached an impasse, with neither side willing to compromise. Synonyms: stalemate, deadlock, standstill. Antonym: resolution, breakthrough. Impassioned, IMPASSIONED. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning, filled with intense emotion, enthusiasm, or strong feeling, fervent or passionate. Example sentence: the speaker delivered an impassioned speech, moving the audience to tears. Synonyms: passionate, fervent, enthusiastic. Antonym: indifferent, apathetic. Impassive, IMPASSIVE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning: showing no emotion or reaction, calm and unemotional, unaffected by external stimuli. Example sentence: despite the chaos around her, the doctor remained impassive and focused on the task at hand. Synonyms: calm, stoic, unemotional. Antonym: emotional, expressive. Impeach, IMPEACH. Part of speech, verb. Meaning: to accuse or charge a public official with misconduct in a formal manner, to challenge or discredit the credibility or integrity of someone. Example sentence: the opposition party threatened to impeach the president for alleged corruption. Synonyms: accuse, charge, indict. Antonym: clear, acquit. Impeccable, IMPECCABLE. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning: without fault or error, flawless, perfect or exemplary in quality or behavior. Example sentence: the chef's culinary skills were impeccable, resulting in beautifully presented and delicious dishes. Synonyms: flawless, perfect, immaculate. Antonym: flawed, imperfect. Impecunious, IMPECUNIOUS. Part of speech, adjective. Meaning: having little or no money, penniless, impoverished, lacking financial resources. Example sentence: after losing his job, he found himself in an impecunious situation, struggling to make ends meet. Synonyms: penniless, poor, destitute. Antonym: wealthy, affluent. Impede, IMPEDE. Part of speech, verb. Meaning: to obstruct or hinder the progress, movement, or development of something or someone, to get in the way. Example sentence: the heavy traffic impeded their journey, causing significant delays. Synonyms: hinder, obstruct, block. Antonym: facilitate, assist.